whatever is there, real small kick from a punch.
Okay, round. Him out, meaning pakonti-konti, huwag maging super excited. Saktan mo siya, pick your punches. Pero sabi ni Jonathan, wala na daw yung kalaban. Well, I wouldn't exactly counting out, pero nasaktan siya dun sa second round.
Sabi ni Robert Garcia, get him apart little by little. Yun ang gusto ni Donaire. Get a workout. Alam mo na, impress the fans.
Yeah, kailangan, gusto niya talaga, impressive yung kanang panalo. You know,
wow. He walked into a left. But he's a fighter.
Yeah, this guy's a fighter.
Yeah.
Vargas, 28, Donaire, 27 years of age. Binabati po natin mga fans, mga TFC subscribers sa Middle East, Europe, North America, Australia, Asia. Wow.
Vargas is...
Bigay todo, no? Parang nothing to lose kasi siya eh. Pag maka-chamber siya ng isang magandang suntok, baka sakaling maka-world title siya. Pero Donaire, taller, more skilled, working. Donaire is, oh wow, wow.
That's gone.
Wow, did you see that? Parang delayed reaction yung uppercut, left uppercut.
He's gone, he's
At
gone.
mukhang hindi na makakabangon si Vargas. Tagumpay para sa Pinoy na si Nonito Donaire Jr. Lumapit si Donaire sa kanyang kalaban para siguraduhin na okay siya. That stinging left uppercut. You like that, Ronnie?
Yeah, well, he danced around. He fooled him. He flicked the right, he moved to the left, to a left, moved to the right again, and then hammered him with the left.
Okay, so tagumpay para sa